Still enjoying the garden. I love being outside, but I do miss summer a lot. Birds, of course, ran away, but we have bird feeders out here that I can see from my kitchen window. I just saw the drake chase that rooster out of the top bunk. Technically that top area. Oh, he came back up. He'd rather fight with Drake than fight with the other rooster downstairs. Hi, rooster. How are you? Is that duck chasing him around again? I need to clean the windows. Yeah, I think he did. Drake just, oh my gosh, he's having problems everywhere he goes. Bye, roosters. Bye, little ones. Bye, ducks. I gotta go check the greenhouse. Nice spending time with you. I'm not dressed for outside. It's warm in here. Found signs of life. There's green coming out the bottom. I watered the ones with the permalite, but I didn't water the ones with the dirt. Because the dirt holds on to moisture and the permalite is more airy. The water it doesn't absorb and hold as much water as the soil. So that's what I have to pay attention to. White mulberries. Fabulous. That's the kiwi. The kiwi has started to sprout green. Hallelujah. I found someone who does sell sticks of kiwi for propagating, male and female. But I'm crossing my fingers, I already have that covered. This is strawberry hydrangeas down here are producing. Smoke tree outgrew the bottom. Doesn't have that smoky color like the parent plant yet. And I don't have any pictures yet that I can find of the mother plant. Spinach has its second leaf. Broccoli sprouting. And Brussels sprouts. Here's the hope. There we go. Brussels sprouts. 3 of my favorite. I thought I seen lettuce, but no, I can't find it. Still pretty. Today our new little one is 3 weeks old.